Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video. This is video number 143. I just want to make sure. All right, so this video, just going to go over some quick things here. We got our earnings last night. Go to the finance page here. We're also going to do a withdrawal request here as well in this video. So we got about $48 and what is that, 14 or 24 cents rather, 48.24. Yeah, these two together is 0.22%. A little bit lower day, but still had some money come in, which is great. So if you check my investment here, guys, let's see what I'm at here for the money. So I've made $851.79 in exactly 17 days, guys. I'm about halfway there through the month cycle, just a little bit over halfway. And yeah, so I've made $833 in this investment and $18.15. So just think, guys, like this month, because I took the earnings from last month, reinvested it back in. So as a result of that, I made an extra $18.15 on top of my initial investment and my initial principal. So, and that just snowballs month to month to month to month to month. It just keeps compounding. So that's the same story. I'm going to take of this money, whatever I have, I'm going to take minimum 400, maybe 600, because I want to get this over 27,000. That'll be in 2 weeks. That is, says right here. See, it says July 16th, which is like 2 weeks from now, because today's July 3rd. So that's going to be happening. So anyways, guys, going to do a withdrawal. As you see at the very top right here, I have $366.02. That's some of my earnings from last month, as well as some commissions. So we're going to go into the finance tab here. And let's see what else we got going on. Okay, so we're going to do the withdrawal. And we're going to do 366.02. And then we're going to go to the wallet. We have to go here, SWCT. You got to take that copy. And we're going to go back here to SWCT, paste it in, hit withdrawal, click get the code, which it's going to send to me now, which is 290. Nope. Sorry, I just lost it here. 292023. There we go. So now if you look at the top right here, guys, you're going to see this number here go to 0. That means the money's been withdrawn. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's right. I guess I have to do $1 or less. I think that's what it said. Yeah, 365.02. Yeah, that's right, because it cost $1 to do the withdrawal. So paste that in, hit withdrawal, click get the code. Let's see what the code is that they give me. There we go. So it's going to be 517551. Withdrawal request successfully created. There we go, guys. So you'll see this number at the top right go to 0. I'm just going to refresh. There we go, it's 0. So the withdrawal request has been done. If I go to the finance tab here, I will see proof of that, which is right here. Withdrawal is in progress. $365.02. It costed $1 to do the withdrawal. And this is the address starting with 0x ending in A9. Starting right here, as you see, starting with 0x ending in A9. So it's going to go to this wallet. Once it's here, which will take about maybe 20 minutes, I'll convert it to Bitcoin. Then I can send it off to my ShakePay account, which is the wallet I use to send the money to my checking account. So once it's in there in Bitcoin, I convert it to Canadian dollars and then e-transfer it to my checking account, guys. So this is going to take a little while here. It doesn't go through right away. See, it still says 0. So I have to wait for this to finish. It does say it's a withdrawal in progress. So that will finish off, guys, in the next few moments. So that concludes this video. It's just a 5-minute daily review video, guys. If you guys want to be a part of this earning potential, passive income for yourself, guys, it's like having your money in the bank, but you're not going to make this type of money, $851 in 17 days, just having your money in the bank or invested in GIC or other things. As you see, I've made over $26,000 all time, $26,356.55 all time since October of 2020, which is when I started. So if you want to make this type of money, guys, you're interested in this system, shoot me an email down below. You can ask any questions, or you can click on the sign up link down below in the description of the video. I'll answer any questions you have. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below the video. That way you can subscribe to my channel. You can see all my updates and progress and everything. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Take care.